because we thought, you know, a lot of people like me, I'm not from the medical profession. I wasn't trained as a registered nurse and you know, worked in the profession as you did for so many years. I'm more of a person that's a visual. I'm I'm a visual person. So I need to see photos and pictures and have all your medical terms. I need something that shows me a little bit better. So can you say it again, because we did find something?
Filtered water. I usually use the zero. I'm putting lemon in this. I have the most greatest little doodad that helps me grind things up. I happen to get this. It's the Patriot Power blender. And since people are on the go, I use this to take it with me everywhere. And what I do is I take oranges, a little bit. I take grapefruit or papaya. I take either pear, and I take banana, and I even do pineapple. And I do raspberry, blueberries. And what I do is I cut it up a few bit. I can put it in the refrigerator so I don't have to do it again. And I just cut things up. And what I do is I just take some pineapple that I just cut up from the fresh pineapple, not the canned. Everything's got to be fresh, guys, organic. Take some papaya, fresh papaya, a few pieces. Take some pear. I take some grapefruit pieces. I even do oranges. And I do some blueberries, just 3 or 2. And I take some blueberries or raspberries, but right now I'm out of raspberries. And then what I do is I put lemon in my water, or just water, filtered water, and put a little bit in there. And you could use any blender at home. It doesn't really matter. It's just that it blends it all up. And you hit the button. Usually too much of it. But you see, it just blends it all up for you. It's so simple. And then you just drink it. But what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you something. This is my breakfast. You can do it breakfast, lunch, or dinner. I'm taking what it's called cocoa hydrate, because I love cocoa, because coconut is so important. And I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit in there. This is many ways that you can use real clean food, because I just want to add the extra, because I know this is 100% pure. So these vegetables, fruit or vegetables, I can't guarantee that it's purely organic. So I try to at least get the majority of my clean food in there. Great recipe, tastes awesome. Kids love it.
Hello, everybody.